Guys, Lucas here with FastCap. So this is our Crown Stop Fence system for Makita. It's an incredibly popular system for cutting crown molding and giving you a higher back step on your saw and having the crown mold stops not be in your way when you're cutting other things. We have them for DeWalt. They've been selling fantastically well. They're available for Bosch and they're available for Makita. Now the Makita system was designed for our 12-inch saw, or Makita's 12-inch saw only, but we've had a lot of customers ask, hey, can I use it on my 10-inch Makita? Well, the answer is yes, but you might have to do some modifications. So I'm going to show you the issue here. So when I'm cutting straight, no problem at all. When I miter over to the right, I can go up to 31.6 degrees, no problem at all. And on the left, I can go over to 45 degrees, no problem at all. Where the problem comes in is if you try to do a more extreme angle than that. So if you have a 10-inch Makita, you want to use the system and you want to cut angles greater than that, problem you're going to find is that the saw actually is going to interfere with this nice high fence on both sides at higher angles. So if you want to make it work for that, you're just going to have to do some modification. And so this video is to show you what has to be done to modify these to make your 10-inch be able to do all your miter angles with our Crown Stop Fence system. So I'm going to show you what I do to make it work here. So all I did was take it to a bandsaw to cut it roughly to the right shape. I'll have a template that you can follow for tracing it, and then I just took it to a sander just to take off the burrs and smooth the edges out, round over some corners and make it look really, really nice again. All right, so as you can see, I got these shaved down here. Nice, pretty shape. We're gonna have a template available on the website so you can print it out, trace it, and use our template to cut these if you want to. Of course, no returns once you cut them down, but still gives you a ton more fence on the back than with the stock 10-inch fences. And now with this shape, we have the full Crown Stop Fence functionality, other than you're not gonna have the storage on the back. So when you go to store these, you might have to do something a little bit clever, such as stick them in the accessory hole. But now we can miter over all the way in both directions, and it slides through, no interference at all. Other direction right here. So that is all you got to do to make the Crown Stop Fence work for your 10-inch Makita saw. Took me probably about half an hour of just bandsaw and sanding, get a nice shape to it. Not too hard.